imagine a better day for playing polo, can you? I've never been very good at polo.
Polo is not difficult. Keeping the ball in play is a simple matter of potential energy meeting mass and being converted into kinetic energy.
Huh?
What Wind Whistler means, JD, is just whap it with your nose. Here it comes!
Oh, oh! No! I'm just not cut out for this stuff.
Come on, Shady, it's not that hard. You just have to keep your eye on the ball.
I got it!
I object! The rules explicitly state that the ball may not be engaged by unicorn magic.
Don't panic. I'll get it down as soon as I figure out how.
Perhaps I can be of assistance.
I've never had one get away from me before. Uh-oh. Hey! Where are we?
Anybody see our ball?
I can't even see my feet. What is this place?
It is called the Mysthis Forest, and there are those who still hold to the hypothesis that a strange enclave flourishes beyond.
Huh?
I'm simply saying there may be other beings who live in this forest.
What do you mean, beings?
Gnome-like creatures called dell dwellers who actually live below the forest floor. They are the caretakers of the forest. They do magnificent work, making rough lumps of rock into the smooth stones Danny likes to skip on the lake. And where do you suppose these huge oak trees come from? Were it not for the dell dwellers, the forest might not have any trees at all. They are a very orderly and well-balanced society. And they do all this work without any glory or reward.
You don't think they're dangerous, do you? Maybe we've gone as far as we should. I want to go back. Oh! Wait up! Don't leave me here alone! What have we done?
Presents! Run! Hide! Don't let them get us! Ow!
Oh my! What have we done? Wind Whistler! Quickly! We must do something! This is no time for frivolity! These multicolored protoplasmic organisms are ruining the ecology of this place! Did I say that? Wind Whistler, what is wrong with you? Izzy, no! Shady! Come down from there! Okie dokie! Whoa! Shady, this isn't like you! And Wind Whistler is acting so silly! Those Frazzets are mixing up everyone! We must do something! Sorry, Fizz, you're on your own. I want to check this place out. Looks like I shall have to take charge here. These Frazzets must go back into the barrel. Uh-oh! I appear to be making matters worse. My bubbles work, but this will take forever. And I do not believe my friends or these creatures can afford to wait that long. Speaking of friends, where is Gusty? There you are. What are you doing in there, Gusty?
Hiding.
This is not like you, Gusty. Come out of there now. I need your help. Now, can you make a breeze and blow these things back into their barrel? Please, Gusty?
I'll try.
No, not that way! You're dispersing them! Gently, Gusty. Please. Come on, just a little harder. Shady, we need you to knock the Frazzets into the barrel. No sweat, Fizz. Almost done.
Gee, but it's a thrill being somebody else, somebody other than me. Instead of being stiff and stern, I'm wild, I'm cross, I'm free.
Gee, but it's a blast being somebody else, someone who's part of a team. I'm working side by side, and it's working like a dream. It's fun to behave like someone who is very bold and brave. I never knew it mattered, but it's nice being someone who's not so scattered. Gee, but it's a joy being somebody else. It makes you walk on air. It lets you find the you inside. You never dreamed. No, you never dreamed was there.
Well, that is the last of them.
Nothing happened. Everyone's still the same.
This side down. Gusty! Shady, come here. I need your help. Help me turn this barrel over. This is what is causing all the problems. Careful. This side up. I certainly hope this is
We can't thank you enough. You saved our gal and the entire forest.
Aw, it was nothing much.
That's easy for you to say, Gusty. But what really did happen? Well, when we fell into the dell, we kind of knocked over this barrel.
As long as the Frazzets remain in the barrel, the balance of nature is preserved. But we inadvertently released them and upset the balance.
That's exactly right.
But Fizzy took control and restored everything to normal.
I did? I mean, how did I do that? Balance? What balance? What are you talking about?
As I said, everything is back to normal.